You got the phone all loaded up there?
Yeah, I don't got a memory card in it because it don't work, but I think I'm going to get the little, I got to find a little 4 gig card I got to put it in there, right?
Yeah, 410. You don't have a laptop or a doggone little tower unit there?
Yeah, I got a laptop right there.
Yeah, man, I video my gates right here and go straight onto YouTube with them. I never have to get on the phone, man. The phone takes so damn long to load up.
Yeah, right there for this morning, I still loaded this 16-minute gig, and it says 60% coming from this phone going over to my S9 Plus there. Yeah, I got my laptop over there. And it ain't doing nothing. I got a bunch of music on that looking thing, so I don't really know how much space that it got on it. But I don't know how good it would pick it up. It probably would pick up a lot better, but ain't no big deal. I already got these gigs. Okay, I could delete that one. Yep. And yeah, that's what I pretty much been doing this morning. Because one of my good tags on the radio called me up yesterday and told me, after I talked to them, they told me stop being a CB and start being a radio operator. So that's what I'm trying to do today, give everybody some playtime, because I don't like the natives getting restless around here, right?
Yeah, 410. Yeah, man, I got a webcam sitting in front of mine, and I got an old tower unit, old Lenovo. It's a small one, but you know it does. Even if you have Windows 7, you know, you can just use the straight Windows software that's right there, man, and it does the trick. You just turn it on YouTube there, and you drag and drop or click it, and it goes right to it. You know, select your file. It's real easy, and it goes real quick. Matter of fact, I'm running one right now. It's 1 minute and 52 seconds long. And doggone it, I'm gonna load it right on up there, man, and you can hear it. And I think, you know, the webcam's probably the way to go. I used to run everything through my doggone board, and I had a mixing board in here, and it sounded really good. But I kind of like this. It's real live and raw, you know.
Hey, Roger, yeah, I got a webcam. I just hook it up to this thing and clamp it onto the little drawer up under the CB and just aim and make sure everything's perfect and bada bing, bada bing. I'm gonna try that out in a second there, Roger.
Yeah, 10, Roger. Yeah, man, you'll find it be a lot easier. You just move over with the mouse or however your control pad there, and you just click your file, send it right to YouTube, and let it do its thing, man. In about 3 minutes, it ought to load it up. You know, of course, the longer the video, the longer it takes to load there, Roger.
Hey, yeah, Roger, no doubt about it. Yes, sir. All right, well, I appreciate that. I'm definitely going to try that out today. Another 5 minutes. When me and you finish too, so I'm going to go in and grab that camera, boot old Betsy May up over here and see what she going to do for me there, right?
Yeah, 10-4, man. All right, man. Well, I'll let you get on back to your thing in about 5 minutes. Check my YouTube channel. I'm going to put it up there, Big Dog 911, man. All right, man. I'll see you back on 28.
10-4, no doubt. All right, brother. Appreciate it. 911. Back out.